What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at the ponds. We're going to be doing some bass fishing, bluegill fishing, and cat fishing. Some off the bank, some off a kayak. Hoping just to catch a few. I really want to catch a catfish to see if they're still in here. I really think they are. I just can't see them dying off. But they have been hard to get a bite, so we're going to try again today. We got some creek lizards, some crawdads. Stay tuned and we'll go from there. See if we can get some catfish poles thrown out. We're just fishing with a little piece of crawdad tail. Got off again. Bluegill fishing with daggum little tiny piece of just a tail of a crawdad. Then we got us a spotted bass. I got a 6-pound test and a micro trout hook. I knew it was bigger than bluegill. Look at that, guys. Just, I mean, little tiny hook. Good, he wasn't coming off either. That's what kept taking my bait. So what's happening here is there's bluegills bedding all in this corner, and the bass just sit right off of there waiting to feed on them bluegills. And you can tell he has been doing that. Super healthy spotted bass. Not what we're looking for right now though. Get back in the water. There you go. Now I'm gonna try to catch a couple bass while we're waiting on them catfish poles. Got a 3.5-inch Kayak swim bait, the 1/8 ounce head. And caught a leaf, messed up our cast. There's one, boys. Hooked up. Oh, it got off. That was a big one. Oh my God, I hope I got that on video. That was like a 4 or 5 pounder. Dude, come on. It's the biggest fish I've hooked in this pond this year. Why did that thing come off? Oh, I could cry like a baby. There it is, right at the bank. Why couldn't that big one eat it like that? That's another little spotted bass. Healthy fish. Crushed the swim bait. Pretty little guy. Thing. Oh yeah, you can. Well, boys, I got a story for y'all there. I lost that crankbait about 2 years ago. My boss painted that for me at my old job. No, it was last year. I lost this last year. I won a Queen City kayak tournament on this exact crankbait and then came down here and lost it later that day. That is crazy. I'm glad I caught that. The hooks have already rusted off of it, but the crankbait's still in good condition. It's a Strike King 2.5. My boss got as a custom blank and painted it this yellow crawl for me. Alright guys, we got 4 catfish poles casted out, 2 dead spring lizards, 2 live crawdads. Hopefully we can get something. Oh God, look at that. Look at that. I just laid my swim bait down in the water to get the kayak ready, and a largemouth came up and smoked it. Just crushed it while it was sitting there. Beautiful largemouth. That is awesome. That's what we like to see right there. Healthy fish. There's one. Oh, he got off. Oh, we just lost one, boys. Right here at the kayak. There's one. Not a bad one. Right off the side of that dock. Pretty spotted bass. Gosh, they're healthy this year. Check that out. Just choked it. They're right off that dock. Beautiful fish. Alright guys, we're here at the other pond. We still have the 3 catfish poles casted out at the big pond. But this lizard's done died, and I didn't want him to go to waste. So we're gonna try to catch a fish on him over here. There's one. Super healthy fish. Green sunfish, I believe. I looked it up the other night. I think that's what this is. And a healthy one too. Good grief. Alright guys, that's a wrap. We didn't catch no catfish again. I'm about to reel the poles in. Starting to think they really might be gone, but we're gonna keep on trying. Got the kayak loaded up. We're about to head back to the house. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all later.